was gonna throw the A-Rack hoodie on. That's what my plan was, but it's too hot for all that. So I'm like, I'm just gonna set it right here as a prop. You know I got some A-Rack next to me, but hey man, we in this bitch. It's about fucking time. Today we got this Bedlam. I don't know if it's Bedlam, Bedlam. You're gonna have to ask Fonzo. But we got the Bedlam. That's what we calling it today. Bedlam Ashtray unboxing, man. Got my beautiful. I don't even know if it's beautiful. I'm just I could feel it, bro. But we gonna get into it. But anyways, this ashtray in this box right here. I ordered it about a month and a half ago. Made to order, and my boy Fonzo, the creator of Bedlam, you feel me? He sculpted my ashtray out for me. I can't wait to open it. I was in the process of moving. It was a bunch of stuff going on, so I just wanted to, you feel me, wait until I was fully settled in to break it open so that way I could use it properly. So, and then I got the idea to come on here and open it for you. I don't know if I'm gonna throw it on TikTok yet. I don't even know if this is going on Everything Underground or DJ Swear. I might just do both. I don't even think you can smoke on TikTok, so probably just stick to YouTube and Instagram or figure something out, bro. Anyways, I got my 9-letter wristbands right here. And don't forget, I got my Living Before Death as well. Go cop. I'm wearing the Living Before Death shirt too. Shout out my boy. Living Before Death, site just dropped. We'll go get you some gear. But anyways, so a little backstory, you feel me? So I don't want y'all to think I'm out here fucked up, bro, before we get to the unboxing. I had my good Rastaman ashtray, man. You feel me? You got sprinklers cutting on out here and shit. But yeah, and this ashtray has done me justice. It's done me super well. I also want to bring my car ashtray. You feel me? This is a very good ashtray as well. So you feel me? It goes right in the little cup holder. Perfect for driving and smoking. You know the vibes. But I'm gonna show y'all why I had to upgrade. I'm like, you know what? It's time to stop fucking around and get my smoke right with Bedlam. So I'm gonna stop wasting y'all time and we're gonna cut into this. I want to make sure that I don't mess up the stone or like. Cut open the box. Now we got like some foam that's protecting the ashtray. Take it out very carefully. Oh, I just felt it a little bit. It feels so smooth, bro. What the heck? All right. So this is the ashtray. Let me come up close so y'all can really see it. This is how they be doing it. Oh my God! Why is it hidden like that? God damn, this bitch is right. Damn, this shit looks so. This is my first time. This is my first time really seeing it with my own 2 eyes too. So you feel me? Like I'm in awe right now. I'm speechless. I'm lost for words. I almost don't even want to ash in this. It's so beautiful. But yeah, man, hold on. Let's rewind it a little bit and let's break it down. I have to come over here just to, you feel me? Just so y'all could really see and appreciate. I wish y'all could feel it through the camera, bro, cause this shit feels so smooth and like, damn, this is a real stone. So that's what I was about to get into. Y'all probably wondering like, damn, what type of stone is this? Like, where can you feel me? What's the inside details? Now I can't give you all the secrets. You're gonna have to, you feel me, shop with Bedlam to figure that out. But this stone right here, I was informed that this is the alabaster stone. So I didn't really know what that was. I'm not like, a geologist or nothing. So you feel me? I don't know my stones. Upon doing some further research into the alabaster stone, basically it's just like a very high quality stone that has been used for hundreds of years to carve and sculpt different things, like this ashtray, for example. People make all type of different things with the alabaster stone, but it's a stone that's like classically used because of its high quality and because of like the properties to it. It's just this one specifically, like it looks so clean, bro. This almost looks like a bar of soap to me, bro. This is crazy. But yeah, man, so that being said, shout out Bedlam, shout out Fonzo, man, shout out to Straw Denim, shout out A-Rack holding some bands, and guess what? A-Rack is now holding a brand new ashtray. So let's spark up and break this bitch in the right way. Shop the right way, smoke the right way. Bedlam.